Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove the easing when you're zooming in on a clip in Final Cut Pro X. So by default, when you add scale and position keyframes in Final Cut, they have easing applied at the beginning and the end, which is what causes that weird sort of motion. So we'll get our keyframes in place and then it's just a case of turning off the easing, which takes all of 5 seconds. So I've got the playhead at the point where I want the zoom to start, and with the clip selected we'll head over to the transform settings. If you don't see this, make sure Video Inspector is selected. And then we'll click this icon to open the keyframe settings. Over in the viewer, we'll click Add a new keyframe. Then I'm going to skip forward 10 frames by holding Shift and pressing the right arrow key. Back over in the transform settings, I'm going to up the scale all slider. You can have this as high or as low as you want. And then we can drag the clip in the viewer to add the position keyframes. Once your position's sorted, this is where we turn off the easing on the keyframes. So let's stick a timer up. Right click on the first keyframe. Select linear, right click on the second keyframe, linear, done. And that's it. If we play it back, you'll see it zooms straight to the point we want it to without any easing. And the good thing is that any additional keyframes we add to this clip, I'll have the easing turned off. So as always, thank you ever so much for watching. If you're not already, consider subscribing to see more videos like this, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. See ya.